learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello, 好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're trying to hurry things up here, okay? 这整个月呢，我们好像要赶时间哦。
快点，快点！
感觉都爱跑啊。快点 It's all about teaching you scenarios where you have to hurry up. 快点怎么说？
Get the way.
That means hurry up, saying it twice. 是故意讲2次了。
快点。
Alright, 很多时候在等的时候，人家会传简讯，到底多久才会到啊？对不对？
对呀，然后就跟你讲10分钟啊。
永远有80个10分钟。10分钟 just sounds like the right time to say, you know? 好，你还要多久才会到？ Let's teach you a scenario where people are replying how long you're going to take to get there now, okay? And they're asking, how much longer? 你还有多久才会到？
喊愛結叫。
喊愛結叫。張杯多才會到。
你還要多久才會到？
That whole line there means how much longer are you gonna take anyways? 那個人就再10分鐘。
我了解。
Yeah, another 10 minutes, because I say that a lot, huh?
對啊，80個10分鐘。
以後我說15分鐘了。再10分鐘 another 10 minutes.
90分鐘。
90分鐘 OK, 4分就是10分嘛。
10分鐘。
Alright, that's 10 minutes.
90分鐘。那海陸腔90分鐘。
90分鐘 Okay, that's a different dialect for just saying 10 minutes. 好啦，這時候就給點壓力嘛，就是會說快點，大家都在等你啊。Alright, hurry up. Everyone is waiting for you just to put the pressure on, right?
夾掉位。大家嘟嘟嘅等。
大家就是大家。嘟嘟是怎樣？
嘟嘟沒有，不是，就是火車要開了，
對啊，
你要
感覺
快點。
怎麼回到火車邊了？
沒有，開玩笑。大家嘟嘟嘅等，就是大家都在等你啊。
嘟嘟就都在等那樣子。
對。
Okay, 嘟嘟 it sounds so cute. Sounds like a train departing, but it just means everyone's waiting for you. Okay, 等就是等你。Okay, 等 is to wait. All right, let's review some of these vocab. Like 10 minutes, how do you say that?
10分鐘。
10分鐘，為什麼只叫10分鐘？因為大家都會說10分鐘，這最實用。然後再來等你 ，waiting for you. 等，and it's all about hurry up, 快點。
夾掉位。
All right, now we know what 10 minutes mean, and that's it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
只say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.